It's when you have something to do, or you have a vision, or you have a dream. Sometimes you have to keep it to yourself. Because some of them friends and family are some vision thief them. Them steal your vision and your dreams and take it over and act like a feed them one. So it's when you have stuff to do, you have something where you dream of doing and your sister you can't do it, or you have a vision and your sister it can work out. Sometimes just keep it to yourself. Just go ahead and do it. Because the minute you talk about it, then grab it and run with it and behave like a feed them. So hear my word tone now, because me I talk when me see and when me what kind of experience me have personally. Me not talk about when nobody tell me. So when you have nothing to do, sometimes keep your mouth closed. Because sometimes we kill with own dreams and visions by telling them to others. So guess what? Me could just do it now and stop telling people. Because I know everybody happy for you. I know everybody will smile up on your face mean say they mean you good. Sometimes you tell people what you plan to do and what you want to do, and the minute you tell them, as your back turn, I hit that. They smell in your face, but if you see their heart, it's a total different kettle of fish. So, I could just go and hold with things them to yourself sometime. And I tell nobody, just keep it amongst you and God. Sometimes I best think that for the year.